Why choose Relink Planetary Dies? Hi everyone, this is Penny. While the tungsten market faces price volatility, with APT and tungsten powders seeing recent adjustments, we maintain a stable supply of high-grade tungsten carbide and premium tool steels. Our carbide-inserted segments offer up to 10 times longer service life compared to conventional steel dies, significantly lowering your cost per thousand nails. Designed for seamless integration with high-speed headers such as EWMen and Proton, our planetary rotary rolls and stationary segments allow for continuous feeding, reaching speeds of up to 1,500 plus pieces per minute without compromising thread integrity. Every die is 100% precision ground to ensure flawless formation of annular rings and helical screw threads. This precision reduces machine vibration and prevents premature tool wear. We offer advanced coatings like TICN and CRN, which provide an extra layer of thermal protection and reduce friction, essential for maintaining high volume output in demanding industrial environments. Thanks for watching.